How to find profile information settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find profile information settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here, and now click this one, settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now click here reaction this one. Go down until you find this one, profile information, and as you see now you can manage profile information easy and fast. And that's how to find profile information settings on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.